proper solution. The chicken are clean, health, and they lay good quality eggs. So if you want to start your own poultry farm, remember to get a good quality